Hi, let's say you have multiple copies and pastes that you need to do into a document, and you don't want to have to go back and forth between, the first document and copy what you want, and then go to the second document and paste it. Go back to the first copy and copy it. Go back to the second document and paste it. There's an easier way in Windows 10, and for those of you who aren't familiar with it, I'll show you quickly how it works. First step is there's a setting you need to change. If you click on Start down here and click on this Settings button, and then here in the Find a Setting, just type Clipboard and choose Clipboard Settings. And then you'll see this clipboard history. Yours is probably off. You can mark it on, right? And that'll maintain, you can save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows V keys to view your keyboard history and paste from it. So, for example, I can close this now. I have this template for a resume. Let's say I want to copy a bunch of things from here. Before I do, I'm going to hit the Windows V, and it says your clipboard is empty. Let's make some history together by copying multiple items to it. Great. So let's say I click, let's say I want to copy name here, right? And I'm going to hit Control C for copy. Right, and let's say I click this guy's face and I hit Control C for copy, and I want these paragraphs here and I copy that, and I want this work experience paragraph here and I copy that. Oh, and you know what, and this chart is helpful, I'm going to copy this as well. So I've hit Control C for each of those, and now I'm going to go to a blank document, and let's say I want to paste those back in here and just put them in a different order. Where you would normally hit Control V to paste, now we're going to hit Windows V, and you'll see here are all the things that I copied. The name here, the picture, the first two paragraphs, the company profile, and the picture of the graph. And so I can paste that in, right? And I can hit Windows V again and paste this guy in. And you can, if you want, you can even click on these three little dots and pin it, which will keep the item in your clipboard even if you reboot your PC. And it'll kind of, if you have something that you copy and paste a lot of, you can only copy it once and save it and paste it from now on. So that is the Windows 10 feature of multiple copy and paste. I hope you enjoyed that, and I wish you happy computing.